Hi everyone. In the earlier video, we tried to print the cross and bigger symbol in the top left corner, right? So now dynamically, let's try to place this within these boxes, right? So if I press one time, X should be printed, and if I press the second time, O, and then X, O, vice versa. Okay. So now let's close this. Now let's come back to the code. Okay. So this is the code which we have written earlier, right? So now what I will do, so I will create some global a static variable. Okay. um, Static of a type of boolean. So is our current character is whether it's a cross symbol or not. Okay. So is current symbol is cross or not. Assuming by default we will start with true, means the first color which is going to be printed is the cross symbol. Okay. So now we have our mouse click event here, right? So Tic Tac Toe print info. So here let's try to create that let's try to fill that buffer here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, so I'm going to create that EFI graphics PLT pixel. Okay. And here I will call this as a pixel. Okay. So now I need to print at the center of that boxes, right? So then I'm going to call this UNTN center delta. Okay. So now let's first try to calculate the delta here. Delta will be my current box dimension minus what is the size of the buffer which I'm going to print. In my case, I have the 100. If I scroll to the top, yeah, this is the 100. This is the one which I have, right? Yeah. Okay. And then if I come back here again, 100. And then this I will divide by 2. So that will gives me the exact center position. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, so here I got the box number. I know the X and Y positions. Okay. So now first what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create one condition here. If is current symbol, if it is set to true, then it's an cross. Okay. So then my pixel, what I'm going to do is it should be a cross. Okay. Else pixel will be big O. Okay. So now once I have this, right? So now I know what pixels I need to print. I know where to print. Okay. So now what I will do, so I will call that buffer to video. So let's copy this buffer to video. Okay. So now I will copy this. Let's go back here. Here I'll paste it. Okay. So now this operator, and then we will pass the pixel, and then it's a buffer to video. I'm going to start that buffer from 0 comma 0 and where I have to print, right? So this is the X position. So this X position I will get it from here where my box X and Y is going to start, right? Here. And I need to print at the center, right? So I will do the delta, center delta. Okay. And then what is the height and width of my logos? Means that across symbols and the bigger symbol, it is 100. Okay. I will format the document. Okay. So now I have this, correct? So now once that X symbol got printed, the next symbol should be O, correct? So then what I'm going to do, so I'm going to change that variable. Okay. So is current symbol is not is current symbol. Okay. So then what it does, it is going to flip the true to false, false to true. Okay. So now let's build it. Okay. So now I will run the WinHost. Okay. So gop sample driver. Okay. So now we have this, right? So that's fine. So now here what I'm going to do, so I will click within this first box. Okay. Now you can see the first box is clicked. and it is 0 0, and here we got the cross. So now I will press this seventh box. Okay, now we got this O, right? Then I will press suppose say here we got the cross, and then here, here, and then here. So the functionalities you can add it based on your needs. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.